Breville Barrel 605 XL Hemisphere Control Blender. 1. Permanent hemisphere bowl and blade system with central blades that draw down what's on top and wide sweeping blades hug the bottom of the jug. 2. Electronic 5-speed control plus pulse feature ensure that the RPM speed is maintained for consistent results every time. 3. Made from BPA-free, lightweight, superior clarity and shatter-resistant Eastman Triton polyester. The blade design and high-torque motor delivers quiet and efficient blending performance, while the contour bowl design minimizes food traps and makes for easy cleaning. 4. LCD timer counts up on speed settings and down for pre-programmed settings for complete control when blending. 5. Illuminated buttons for clarity and ease of reading.